Make a great choice today with
The 2019 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, variable speed, intermittent wipers. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.